It's one of the most complex organizations in the world. Understanding how it works can help you understand the way the world works. The United Nations was set up after the horrors of World War II to stop anything like that happening again. How? By providing a platform for nations to talk to each other. After countries started talking, they began to make agreements about how they saw the world, like the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. The UN holds more than 560 multilateral treaties, which are a major source of international law. The UN also has many agencies running projects on everything from child literacy to sustainable farming. Of course, it doesn't always work. Some say the UN is too expensive and bureaucratic. And because countries can't always agree, it can be slow to act. But it has achieved a lot. It's settled international disputes and helped countries gain independence from colonialism.